In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for answers in the HoneyBook Help Center. Quick Help 2026. Let's get you to the right answers fast. First, open your preferred web browser and go to honeybook.com. Using an up-to-date browser helps pages load correctly and keeps your session secure, so it's worth a quick check if something looks off. Next, log into your HoneyBook account. Enter your credentials, then complete any security prompts you might see, such as a verification code or two-factor authentication. These checks are normal and help protect your account, so just follow the on-screen instructions and proceed. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the home base for your projects, invoices and tasks. But today we're focused on getting help. Take a moment to let the page fully load so all menu items display properly. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the main navigation bar. This is your control panel for everything in HoneyBook. If the bar looks minimized, hover over it or click the expand icon to see the labels clearly. Familiarizing yourself with this menu will make it easier to find resources later. From this left-hand menu, click on Resources. This section gathers support tools, guides, and learning materials so you don't have to hunt around. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the menu or expand any grouped items. Now, select Help Center. HoneyBook will open the Help Center in a new tab. Keeping it in a separate tab is handy because you can switch back and forth between your account and the help article as you follow the instructions. If pop-ups are blocked, allow the site to open a new tab or right-click and choose to open it manually. In the Help Center, use the search bar to type what you need help with in plain language. For example, you might enter "create an invoice," "edit a contract," or "set up a payment schedule." Press enter, then review the results. Choose the article that most closely matches your question. Each article is designed with clear, step-by-step procedures you can follow to solve your issue. Look for screenshots, short videos, or callouts that highlight important buttons. Check the last updated date to make sure the guidance matches the current interface. If your first search doesn't hit the mark, try alternate keywords or simplify your phrasing. You can also scan related articles listed near the bottom of the page and use your browser's Find feature to jump to specific terms within an article. That's it. By navigating to the Help Center from your dashboard and using targeted searches, you'll find reliable, step-by-step answers right when you need them.